in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram username not available. Firstly, if you get in a selection like that one, when you get into your profile selection, which is right here, go to your editing profile selection and simply go into your username. And now, for example, you want to add a username which is related on your interest. For example, just go for Malaxy, and right here, as you can see, it will take you the username Malaxy is not available. What that means, guys, right now, that means that you need to add something more or something which is taking to more points to get a username section which is available. For example, if you go Malaxy.7, you're gonna see that right now that site selection for username, it is available. But if you go just Malaxy or Malax, you see that it is also not available. When you get, also you can go on learn more to see what's going on for getting usernames which are available and what you need to do when you get on a session which are not available. You can read all that stuff selection, all these description sites which are taken off by the supporting team of Instagram, and then you're gonna be ready for your site selection to fix your Instagram username.